Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your KTGEE wireless earbuds like these ones here that you can get off Amazon. If you're having any kind of connectivity issues, maybe only one earbud is connecting, or you're having sound issues, they keep disconnecting, etc., things like that, this will fix them. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have turned Bluetooth off on anything that these devices are paired with, so they're not paired with anything. And then when they're on, with them turned on, you're going to come in on either the left or the right ear. It doesn't matter. You're going to come in and tap 5 times on the little touch area in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you'll know that it's worked when the earbud will audibly say powering off or power off. So again, come in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and wait for it to say power off. And then once you do that, you're going to put them back in the case and close the lid of the case. Once you've put them back in the case, close the lid of the case, you want to wait at least 10 seconds. Once that 10 seconds is up, you can open the case, turn Bluetooth back on whatever devices you have, and you can repair the earbuds like they were when they came out of the box.